Welcome to a world where luxury and sustainability coalesce. This is OE Fashion. Introducing our flagship European solid wood sofa. Wrapped in comfort that contours your every moment, its detachable high-density foam cushions redefine relaxation. Marvel at the artistry with every glance. Meticulous hand-carved details and exquisite marquetry patterns, each telling its own story of timeless elegance. Draped in luxurious fabric, safeguarded with eco-friendly paint, our furniture doesn't just elevate your home aesthetically, but also ethically. Complete your sanctuary of sophistication with our matching coffee table and TV cabinet. Each piece is a testament to our creed, sustainable luxury that's accessible to all. Step into the realm of OE Fashion, where every piece is more than furniture. It's a harmonious blend of artisan craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. OE Fashion, crafting tomorrow's heirlooms today. Discover the elegance that awaits you. Follow us now. OE Fashion, luxury for all.